Uwe uhumgat volunteer ula Shah Kem, hadian bakawe ke video kalami pajba hakaba la yoi, baudawa pisa khatsan hajar ni kinong Assam, da kabakino beki pinkhen yiki kindon jingyat kali. Kania ke jingjia kalajia ka arpun rew tarik uno pra arjar arpusan, hakaba urigan san Carlor, lai pusan snem, ubalatre hamadan rating traffic branch, ula pinsangi yakawe kakali Maruti Suzuki bat ula Birmingham mikinong Shongkali da kaba dawa ningkong Shilang hadian balayalam yaki shamadan rating taxi stand ula shim yaka pisa khatsan hajar kumka fine hadian bakinong Shongkali kilalet withdraw pisa na ATM. Superintendent of Police ke East Khasi Hills, Vivek CM, ong bala register ke case daladi hi, bat ye utei home guard bala Shah Kem laweng na Baroh kikam, bat ansatian bishar ye hakayeng bishar katkum kikindon ain. Ong ru bala kerpa iki lanal, ban wan batai ke jingjia haki pulen, bat ya ki CCTV video na kitei ki jaka, lapet benia ban lap ye ke jingjia. Ke East Khasi Hills District Police, kalapin pau bakan yai beteng ban syakri ki pajba da ke jinglong khul bat ban penne e ke jing persha ting e ki kam dawa pisa ke jing penja buram bat ke jing pendan kam bakla e ke bor.
So it's like this. The video was uploaded on YouTube by one Karan Gwala XP by this name, and it was circulated on other social media platforms, wherein allegations of Shillong police was alleged to have threatened and extorting the occupants of a vehicle, and that a fine of 15,000 was taken from them. This video went viral yesterday, the 12th of January 2026, and following this video, an inquiry was made, and the following facts were ascertained. The individual was identified today as Reganson Kharlor, 35 years. He is a home guard volunteer posted at Maranting Traffic Branch. And on the 26th of December 2025, at about 9:35 a.m., he was on clamping duty in Maranting sector. And at that particular time, he was near Saulat. The vehicle which these occupants were traveling in was a white Maruti 800 bearing registration number AS01F1460, and this was proceeding towards Happy Valley, and uh, while driving past him, it almost dashed him. Uh, this uh, uh, this home guard volunteer then gave chase on foot and also took a ride from the scooty of a passerby and intercepted the vehicle at Happy Valley Bazaar. He got inside the Maruti 800, and thereafter all these abuses were hurled at the occupants. He had threatened them and initially and asked for 1 lakh, and after constant pleading by the occupants, the amount was actually had come down to rupees 15,000, and two of the occupants of the vehicle had gone to the ATM at Manating Bazaar, and 15,000 was paid to him. This was not reported to the traffic branch, the in charge of Manating Traffic Branch, nor to the staff of Manating Traffic Branch, and this has only come to light when this video was circulated yesterday. Following this inquiry, a Suo-Motu case has been taken up by Maranting PS 8126 under the sections of 308(5), which pertains to extortion, 351 for intimidation, and 352 for abusive language of the Bharatiya Nyaya Samhita. And the home guard has been arrested today, and he has been removed from all duties in the district and shall be produced before court today. The victims have been contacted and they will be appearing before the police for recording of statement, and investigation will proceed to ensure that we charge sheet the case at the earliest.